man.
Isn't this exciting? We're inside of Pearl here, which is my 1999 Chevy Tahoe Blazer two-door, two-wheel drive. Haven't been driving it because, as you can see, there is bad weather outside, and I don't really like driving this in the bad weather. Also, it has this strange reliability issue I haven't quite gotten sorted out where it doesn't want to start up correctly. It's a little bit intermittent, but anyway, this has been sitting for what, a couple weeks now? We did something. It's been sitting out in the shop outside. Oh, it's angry. It's angry. Oh, I think the battery might be dead.
That is.
Well, we're gonna go get the battery jumper. We'll be right back. It's cold. This is a wonderful little item that my brother-in-law bought for me. We'll see if it's any good. He has one himself. Little battery booster pack here. Just keep that in the. Are these magnetized? Oh, they're held together by a. That's handy. So what's this? A negativity sandwich? Negative first, positive second. Oh yeah, that one's easy. So it doesn't do anything until I hit the power button. I just hit the power button. Look at that. It's cold outside. That was angry. She's running fine now. This works really well.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate this. This is a good gift. All right, let's pull this into the shop.